Hey everyone, this is more of an impromptu video because I was gifted a record by a friend of mine, which is great, you know. So we're gonna unbox Coldplay's Everyday Life. It's really shiny and glossy, which the camera isn't great at. Does that help? That's a torch. Almost. Anyway. So yeah, I mean, I'm not like a huge Coldplay fan. Their first two albums are alright, but after that, I didn't really. Sorry. Yeah, breathe. I should do it on camera. Some people like the peel, or it's better when it's a phone. I'm gonna turn it on. Boop. Come on. This is, well, it's their latest album. I don't know how many albums they've released. There's the back side, which I did show you. So it's got some Arabic on it. I'm assuming. Yeah, that's cool. I always thought that the Arabic script is really beautiful. I'll show you a record, but I imagine. Yeah, dropping it. Brand new record. I don't know why, so my friend picked it up and she thought that I might enjoy it because she thinks I might like Coldplay. I'm strange when it comes to music. I try and get into new bands, but I always end up listening to the same old bands again, like the Beatles, Oasis, and so on. So we've got Sunrise, Church, Trouble in Town. But I heard one of the singles on BBC Radio 2 a few months ago now. And it was alright. Nothing special. Obviously I can't really talk about it, so I'm gonna cut here, or whenever, and I'm gonna listen to the album and I'm gonna get back to you. We're gonna do a sort of first impressions. So I'll see you in a sec. First impressions, I mean, it was good. I'm not, as I said, a huge Coldplay fan, but I actually really like that album. I love the use of the strings and the horns, and one track, see what it's called. It's got to be, I imagine it's WOTW/POTP, I think. I'm not sure what the track was called, but it was very David Bowie-esque in the beat and the bass line to it. I loved the single track, which I played before you see this, and I just think it's a really good album. I love the song Daddy. Daddy, that was beautiful. And there was a lot of gospel music, whether it's Christian or Islamic or religious music then. That was great to hear. Because it's, not that I'm into religious music. I'm not a very religious person. But it's refreshing because this was different than the sort of music I'd listen to. And obviously this is first impressions. I will give it a lot more listens before the vinyl review because it will have to join the back of the queue. But yeah, I was pleasantly surprised with that album. It wasn't going to be awful, but there was a book actually. I completely forgot, or I didn't see it. It came with a nice little book with the sun and moon on the back. And I think there's some political, the Middle Eastern politics written into the lyrics and some of the themes. What's the word? Some of the preludes, no? I don't know what it's called. Some of the sections of the album, there was a song where I think it sounded like, don't kill me, but it sounded like an American soldier having a go at a Islamic person, or Arabic person, sorry. And I'm a white British dude, so I'm not going to get involved. I'll leave that out. But the book. I'll try and get it to focus. There we go. I think it's just the lyrics, but there's some lovely pictures and yeah. So there's some more like Christian, well, I shouldn't say Christian, religious themes in the album, which was refreshing to hear. I'll have to join the back of the queue for vinyl reviews, so I can listen to it a lot more before I do like a full-on review. But amazing album, I loved it. First impressions, I loved it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care, everyone.